Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 1 Mariners Court, a 3-bedroom end of terrace property located within a gated mews development. Now this property is centrally located to Whitstable, so if you're looking for convenience then look no further, because you do really have everything on your doorstep with this one. Coming straight through from the main entrance hallway space, we're taking a right hand turn and taking a look at the kitchen, where you can see that we've got a range of integrated appliances as well as space for some other white goods. The hallway here is unusually large and gives you lots and lots of space to work with, and you can see there just on the right hand side we've taken a quick look there at the cloakroom. Now coming through to the rear of the property, we find ourselves taking a look at the main reception area in the form of the lounge dining space, and the garden that we've got to the rear is a beautiful courtyard space which is low maintenance and easy to enjoy all year round. Now coming back through the property itself, we're going to go upstairs and take a look at the 3 bedrooms and the main family bathroom, which services the bedrooms of course on the right hand side there. Just underneath the stairs you can see a lovely big storage cupboard, and upstairs on the first floor we've got one of the biggest airing cupboards you're going to find in a property. Beautiful big open landing space, lots and lots of potential here. Coming through and across, we're just taking a quick look there at the main family bathroom with the loo and the sink and the bath unit. First of the 3 bedrooms here, good sized room, lovely little view out from the rear window there, lots and lots of light coming through. Double bedroom here, first of the double bedrooms that we're taking a look at, double at the front and a double at the rear, with of course the single next to it, and then we'll go through to the front. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at number 1 Mariners Court with us today. I'm sure you've got plenty of questions for us about this 3-bedroom end of terrace family home in Whitstable. And don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.